Milk has been used in agriculture for centuries due to its antifungal properties. It contains proteins and amino acids that help boost the immune system of plants, making them more resistant to disease. The lactic acid in milk can also create an environment that is inhospitable to fungal spores. When used as a spray, milk can help prevent and treat diseases like powdery mildew, black spot, and downy mildew. It's also a good source of calcium, which can strengthen plant cell walls, helping plants become more resilient. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is another common household item that can be very beneficial in the garden. It has a high pH level, which can create an alkaline environment on the surface of plant leaves. Many fungal spores thrive in acidic environments, so by making the leaf surface more alkaline, baking soda can help prevent fungal growth. Additionally, baking soda can help dry out the fungal spores, inhibiting their ability to reproduce and spread. To make a milk and baking soda spray, you'll need a few basic ingredients. Start with 1 part milk to 9 parts water. This dilution ensures that the milk is effective without being too concentrated, which could potentially harm the plants or cause an unpleasant odor as it decomposes. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to every quart of this milk and water mixture. Mix thoroughly until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Before applying the spray to your entire garden, it's a good idea to test it on a small area of a single plant. This way you can make sure that the solution won't cause any adverse effects. Once you've determined it's safe, pour the mixture into a spray bottle or garden sprayer. Apply the spray to the affected plants, making sure to cover all surfaces, including the undersides of leaves where fungi often hide. It's best to apply the spray in the early morning or late evening to avoid the hot midday sun, which can cause the solution to evaporate too quickly and potentially burn the plant leaves. Reapply the spray every 7 to 10 days or after it rains to maintain its effectiveness. Consistency is key when using natural remedies, as they often work more gradually than chemical treatments. With regular use, you should start to see an improvement in the health of your plants and a reduction in fungal problems. One of the great things about using milk and baking soda spray is that it's safe for both the plants and the environment. Unlike chemical fungicides, this natural solution won't harm beneficial insects, soil health, or waterways. It's a sustainable option that supports a healthy garden ecosystem. Don't forget to check out the video link in the description for more recipes and detailed instructions on making your own sprays and nutrient-rich fertilizers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.